Public, let the public be partners with the county government and the national government. In all these projects, the beneficiaries are the public. And where there are issues of implementation of land acquisition, the law covers the public interest because the compensation systems and processing is normally done, not in fact by the executive, by the National Land Commission. Now unajua, National Land Commission is an independent constitutional commission. They are the ones who set the pricing, of course guided by the values that are known in the market. And therefore, wacha tu tuanze kuona ma projects kama projects ni zetu because ni zetu.
Gikeno muno muthi ni kunyita ugeni minister witu wa Maai Mheshimiwa Alice Wahome nioka guku Kirinyaga County ku supervise na kuona progress ya project ino itu ya Kirinyaga ya Maai na sewerage na Kirinyaga gutikoretwo na sewer system koguo tukoragwo tugithondekera cioro citu na management ya siweo kemucie no riu project ino yathira ni tugukorwo na system irauma kuria Kiruguya ikurukite Kutus igathie igoka gukwa Hitidomba kuria sewerage irathirira na igakorwo treated no Maai magaikuruka kuma Kiruguya Kutus maikuruke mathie Kagio nginya Sagana koguo ni ukorwo iteithitie muno andu a Kirinyaga na turacukia ngatho kwi mutongoria wa bururi William Samoei Ruto ni support ria arahe Kirinyaga County na kioneki